In this ultimate step-by-step tutorial, we'll show you how to set up and optimize your TikTok shop to start earning money from your content. We'll be using some easy-to-use and free tools like ChatGPT, Google Keyword Planner, Canva, and more to make the process a breeze. Step 1. Applying for TikTok Shop. First things first, head over to the TikTok Seller Center at seller.tiktok.com and hit that Apply Now button. Fill out the application form with your personal information, including your name, address, and ID verification. As a creator, you'll most likely be applying as an individual seller. Now, to make sure your application is top-notch, use a tool like Adobe Scan or Cam Scanner to create a crystal-clear, high-quality scan of your ID. And don't forget to run your application through Grammarly to catch any pesky spelling or grammar errors. Trust me, attention to detail goes a long way. Once you've submitted your application, sit tight because TikTok will review it within a few business days. When you get that glorious email notification saying you're approved, it's time to link your shop to your creator account. Just open the TikTok app, go to your profile, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, select Creator Tools, then TikTok Shop, and follow the prompts. Easy peasy. Step 2. Optimizing your TikTok shop profile. Next up, let's make your TikTok shop profile shine like a diamond. Head over to Canva and whip up a visually stunning profile picture that perfectly represents your personal brand. Whether it's a headshot, logo, or any image that helps your followers recognize you, Canva's got you covered with their easy-to-use templates. Make sure your image follows TikTok's recommended dimensions of 100 by 100 pixels. You want your profile pic to look sharp and professional. Now, it's time to craft a shop description that'll make your followers want to smash that follow button. Fire up ChatGPT, chat.openai.com, and input a prompt like, write a TikTok shop description for a creator who sells your product category. Include keywords related to your niche and showcase the creator's unique personality. ChatGPT will work its magic and generate a description that you can customize to perfectly fit your brand voice. But wait, there's more. To make sure your description is optimized for search, use Google Keyword Planner. Plug in terms related to your products and niche, and the tool will give you a list of keywords and their search volumes. Sprinkle these keywords throughout your shop description to boost your visibility and attract your ideal audience. Step 3. Adding products to your TikTok shop. All right, creators, it's time to showcase your amazing products. In the TikTok Seller Center, click on the Products tab and select Add New Product. Fill out all the juicy details, including the title, description, price, and quantity. Want to write product descriptions that'll make your customers whip out their wallets? ChatGPT to the rescue? Input a prompt like write a persuasive product description for your product. Highlight its key features and benefits and use language that appeals to your target audience. And don't forget to incorporate those killer keywords you found using Google Keyword Planner. Now, let's talk about product photos. You want your images to be so good, your customers can practically feel the quality through their screens. Use a tool like Pixel Cut to remove backgrounds and create clean, professional-looking images that showcase your products from every angle. And don't be afraid to include some lifestyle photos of your products in action. Pixel Cut's AI-powered background removal tool makes editing a breeze, and you can easily adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation to make your photos pop. Once you've filled out all the product information and added those stunning photos, hit submit and watch your listing go live. Step 4. Creating engaging TikTok content to promote your shop. Now, it's time to create TikTok content that'll stop your followers in their tracks and make them want to shop till they drop. Use a tool like InShot to edit your videos and add eye-catching effects that'll make your content stand out from the crowd. InShot's templates and effects will help you create professional-looking videos in no time. Add text overlays to highlight key features or promotions, and use Hashtag Generator to find trending hashtags related to your niche. Sprinkle these hashtags in your video description, along with a clear call to action directing viewers to your TikTok shop. And don't forget to use the shopping feature to tag your products directly in your videos. This way, your followers can easily tap and shop without ever leaving the app. Step 5. Going live to connect with your audience. Ready to take your TikTok shop promotion to the next level? It's time to go live and connect with your audience in real time. But first, use Canva to create some hype-worthy promotional graphics for your upcoming stream. Let your followers know what products you'll be showcasing and when they can tune in. During your live stream, use Streamlabs to add engaging overlays and interact with your audience. This tool will help you create a professional-looking stream that'll keep your viewers hooked. And to make it super easy for your followers to shop, use Linktree to create a single link that leads to your TikTok shop and other relevant links. Drop this link in your live stream description and encourage your viewers to check it out. Oh, and don't forget to offer exclusive discounts or promotions using TikTok's live shopping features. This will create a sense of urgency and encourage your viewers to make a purchase on the spot. Step 6. Analyzing your TikTok shop performance. Congratulations, creator! You've put in the work, and now it's time to see how your TikTok shop is performing. Head over to the Analytics tab in the TikTok Seller Center to view your sales data. But why stop there? Use a tool like Google Data Studio, datastudio.google.com, to create visual dashboards that'll give you a deeper understanding of your shop's performance. Connect your TikTok shop data to Google Data Studio for more advanced analytics and create custom reports to track your best-selling products and top-performing videos. Use these insights to optimize your product offerings and content strategy. Double down on what's working and ditch what's not. With data-driven decisions, you'll be able to take your TikTok shop to new heights. And there you have it, my TikTok friends, a complete step-by-step guide to setting up and optimizing your TikTok shop like a pro. By following these steps and leveraging the right tools, you'll be able to monetize your content, build a loyal customer base, and turn your passion into a thriving business. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to Moneyflux for more game-changing tips on turning your creativity into cash. Thanks for watching, and remember, the world is your oyster. So get out there, create amazing content, and start selling like a boss on TikTok Shop. You've got this!